All right, good morning, everyone. April 15th, tax day, everybody. ES Mini call for April 15th. All right, Eastern Time, we had MBA mortgage applications. Empire State manufacturers will be at 8:30, so coming out in about 4 minutes. James Bullard will speak at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Industrial production, 9:15 a.m. Atlanta Fed business inflation expectations could and should move the market. Housing markets index, EIA petroleum. Stanley Fisher speaks. Beige Book, Treasury International Capital, and Jeffrey Lacker speaks tonight at 7:30 p.m. So we got a whole bevy of information today, and ECB is eventually going to make a decision about Greece. Right? Push me one more time. Push me one more time. That's ECB. That's how they handle Greece. All right. Here we are in S&Ps and looking at the overnight action. We've got a high so far of 29,775. We've got a low of 28,719. Looks like the market is firming up. If you take a look at this, this looks like a P from yesterday with the top when I'm unfinished. So usually a bullish indication, and we've already started the rally. When I take a look up here, we're looking for 2101, and then I believe we're gonna just keep moving up. We got if we keep moving this way, we got 2103, we got 2107, and then 2110. Looks like the market's firming up. They can't go give LBJ, Lou Borsellino, they can't give me more structure on the bottom. They want to build a house on a deck of cards. Well, whatever. Here we go. Here's the day, right? We talked about the breakout on the upside. When I put these nice little triangles in here, we talked about the Fibonacci retracement. Um, well, let's look at the projection. If we look at the projection on this, I think there's a if we go 161%, they're looking at 2209. Come on. Well, I'm not going to rule anything out. Can't rule anything out when the world economy is being influenced by the printing of money, mass printing of money. The trees are in danger, an endangered species now. They're going to have to go to electronic currency, which will be the Bitcoin, I guess. Well, we'll see. All right. So we had here's the pattern: three higher days, one lower. We're working on our second higher. Looks like for an exhaustion on the day, we're looking at 2107 quarter, 2107 quarter. And then we are at to shut off my phone. I hear all those beeps. So, so 2107 looks like a good projection here today. All right. But we do have a lot of news going on. So I would be, staying on the sidelines till we can get some sort of confirmation. Probably around 9:30, I would be looking for a true confirmation today of market movement. Also, here is the 4-hour chart. You can see here is our pivot, the 4-hour pivot, and we're basically trading in between the Keltner zone, and they're still pointing up. We backed off as we hit the blue here, and then on the 4-hour basis, it looks like we're starting to move back up on the day. All right, let's go look at today's action when it comes to the value area high and low. So we've just taken out the 5-minute pivot this morning right here at what looks like at 3 a.m. Okay, so I'm sorry, that's the 30-minute pivot. The 30-minute pivot is now bullish. I will show you the 5-minute pivot after we get the value areas in here. So 2090 quarter, we got the high. 2088 half will be the bull bear zone. 2085 half will be the point of control. And then 2080.75 way down here is going to be the bottom of value. So, as usual, the key is can we get back? We're already past R1, which is 2096 half. And then we have 2099 half, 2102 is R2. So we got 2103, 0575, 2107 on the upside. So that's what we're looking for in SPOOs today. I guess I can't call them SPOOs anymore, right? They're ES. All right. Let me go to a 5-minute chart, see where the 5-minute pivot is. Here we go at the 5-minute. Come on. All right. All right, so the 5-minute pivot is down. Whoops. It's down at 2092 big. Let's call it 2093 even. 2093 even. All right. So we're looking at the 5-minute pivot down there at 2093. Looking at the sisters, let's bring them in. Russell in a buy. Here's the NASDAQ in a buy. Okay, so their pivot is at 2066.80. We're looking at the NASDAQ at 4402.98. And then the Dow is at 1790. So they're in a buy as we speak. All right. That's what we got going on in the S&P 500 today. Let's bring over the bonds. So the S&P and the bonds. Oh, look at this. We got a little action in the bonds below our bull bear zone here of 160, 164.16 or 05 when you look at it here. So 164.16. Bottom of value is 164.08. Okay. 165.22 is the point of control, and 165.06 is the top of value. So the market's going to have to get back above this 164.16 to and 16s to get back positive on the upside and to be bullish. But if we, like I said, with the bonds and the S&Ps, it's like Groundhog Day. You just wait for a bottom and buy it, and it just keeps going. All right. Gold is trading lower, but we just got a spike up off of some news. So the news that was out caused a spike up. We're trying to get back inside value. Okay, at 1192 half. Is the bottom of value, and then 1192.40 is the mode or point of control. We're using 1193 half as the bull bear zone today. We fail here, probably will go back down. 1,196.90 is going to be the top of value, and so that's what we got going on in gold. All right. The next thing we got going on is the oil. If I can find these charts, it's just mass confusion at all times. All right, here we go. Oil. All right, we're going to have the bull bear zone way down here, 52.55. 52.83 is the bottom. 53.30 is the point of control. And then 53.53, the top of value. We got that EIM petroleum report out today, so I would look at 52.55 in value. Before we, I'd stay on the sideline until after the report. Here we are rallying. It comes out at 9:30 Central Time, so 8:30 Eastern, or all right, 9:30 Central. Thank you, Anthony. All right. So to recap, S&Ps. Okay, let's put it on a 30-minute time frame so you can see the value areas. Yesterday's profile gave us an indication that we had a P forming, which is usually bullish. Okay, And then, the key is, can we get back inside value? Our bull bear zone will be 2088 half, which is about 1,000 points from where we're at right now. Our pivot's in a buy, and all the sisters are in a buy. All right, stay on Twitter, get your updates because these pivots change and dynamic updates. Talk to you later, and good luck trading. Bye.